From my personal experience and research, I can tell you that it is possible to reverse tooth decay. Let's talk about 15 ways to reverse and heal cavities. Number 1. Increase sleep quality. One of the main reasons people get cavities is a lack of sleep. Sleep deprivation can weaken your organs, jaw bones, and tooth enamel over time. The best way to heal yourself is to sleep early and get enough sleep on a consistent schedule for at least a couple of weeks or months. The life energy and vitality of your organs is linked to your oral health. As long as the tooth decay has not progressed to the point where it is irreversible, you will notice that it stops decaying and eventually reverses and heals itself. Number 2. Lower stress levels. Stress has more negative effects on your body than you can imagine. It weakens your teeth, making them more susceptible to cavities and infections. Anxiety and stress are the leading causes of nutritional deficiencies and hormonal imbalances that cause cavities. When under stress, some people grind their teeth. Clenching and grinding for long periods of time puts a lot of strain on your teeth. In addition, stress causes sugar cravings in some people. Reduce your stress levels to allow your body to heal cavities. Other oral health issues caused by stress include bruxism, canker sores, dry mouth, burning mouth syndrome, and TMJ. Number 3. Zinc. Zinc is such an important mineral that it also has an impact on your oral health. One of the causes of cavities is a zinc deficiency. It is required for tooth decay and gum healing. Zinc is necessary for faster wound healing. It is also essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Another reason zinc is important for oral health is its effect on the digestive system. Stomach problems are caused by low zinc levels. As a result, you are unable to digest food and absorb minerals such as magnesium and calcium, which are essential for preventing and healing cavities. Acid reflux is a common digestive problem which I have experienced for many years in the past. Acid reflux is one of the main causes of rapid tooth decay. Zinc prevents tooth decay. When I was deficient in zinc, I developed tooth decay and cavities more often. The cavities disappeared when my levels returned to normal. Many people are unaware of how zinc can help to stop and reverse tooth decay. So I advise you to eat zinc-rich foods to boost your levels and help your body heal cavities efficiently. Number 4. Magnesium and calcium. Magnesium deficiency is common throughout the world. To keep teeth healthy, adequate magnesium levels are required. Eat foods high in magnesium to remineralize your teeth. Many people get too much calcium but not enough magnesium. Undigested and unabsorbed calcium causes toxicity and inflammation, resulting in a magnesium deficiency over time. In the long run, it becomes a vicious cycle. So eat foods high in magnesium to help your body absorb calcium more efficiently. Remember that even water contains calcium. If you've never heard of it, look on the back of your water bottle. Number 5. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is required for magnesium absorption. Magnesium is required for calcium absorption. People with low vitamin D levels are more likely to develop cavities. I experienced more tooth decay in winter. I was aware of the link between vitamin D levels and tooth decay. Every winter, new cavities appeared. Vitamin D is also important for hormonal health. Number 6. Remove sugar. Sugar is poisonous to our bodies. It weakens the tooth's enamel. Sugar-fed oral bacteria impairs the normal flow of dental fluids. It is also highly acidic and capable of decalcifying and demineralizing of the structural content of teeth, resulting in cavities and dental decay. It's a good idea to avoid eating foods with high sugar content, especially if you have lots of cavities. Number 7. Floss. The key to avoiding cavities in the first place is prevention, so floss on a regular basis, especially before going to bed, to remove food particles that have become lodged in your teeth. Tooth decay or cavities can be caused by poor dental hygiene. Cavities are common anywhere bacteria can enter, but you cannot. Because the majority of people do not floss regularly or at all, between the teeth is a common area of concern. You should floss and brush your teeth twice a day to remove bacteria. Brushing and flossing twice a day can help prevent new cavities and remove bacteria. Also keep in mind that preventing future cavities allows your body to fight current cavities. Number 8. Reduce phytic acid. Phytic acid is abundant in whole grains, nuts, seeds, and legumes. This component inhibits mineral absorption by reducing enzyme production. Phytate levels can be reduced by properly preparing your food. To increase bioavailability, soak nuts, beans, grains, ferment them, or sprout them. The vital minerals responsible for tooth healing will be more bioavailable and efficiently absorbed. Number 9. Oil pulling. Oil pulling removes toxins from the oral cavity, so switch and swirl your favorite oil before spitting it out. Extra virgin olive oil or coconut oil are both suitable. To get rid of the bacteria that cause cavities, take a tablespoon and swirl it around your mouth for 15-20 minutes before spitting it out. Number 10. Detoxification. Regular detoxification is required to maintain your body's balance and health. Oral health is linked to gut health. Detoxifying on a regular basis can help to eliminate unwanted toxins and bacteria that cause mineral deficiencies and tooth decay. Number 11. Activated charcoal. To remove toxins, activated charcoal is a fantastic option. It can be used to whiten your teeth. Charcoal is an effective agent for removing unwanted bacteria and toxins from the colon. I always keep a bottle with me at home or when I travel in case I eat something that causes an upset stomach. Number 12. Improve digestion. When I had digestive problems in the past, I also had cavities and needed plenty of fillings. In my experience, indigestion leads to vitamin and mineral deficiencies in the long run. Cavities can also be caused by acid reflux. When your body lacks the necessary minerals, it attempts to obtain them from your teeth, causing tooth decay by weakening your teeth. Number 13. Eat nutritious foods. Mineral deficiencies are caused by a diet high in processed foods. The strength of your teeth is determined by vital minerals. Consume plenty of zinc, calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K. Poor dental health is an obvious sign that your body is suffering from deficiency, imbalance, and inflammation. Tooth decay and gum disease are unavoidable consequences of a nutrient-deficient diet. Number 14. Probiotics. Probiotics keep your gut healthy and help you avoid illness. Gut health is linked to sinus health and oral health. Oral probiotics can be extremely beneficial, particularly if cavities are common. The more good bacteria you have, the better your defense against harmful bacteria, lowering the likelihood of inflammation and infection. Beneficial bacteria can kill harmful pathogen strains that enter the body. Pathogens have the opportunity to multiply and probiotic populations are reduced, resulting in tooth decay and gum disease. Number 15. Balanced hormones. Hormonal health is linked to dental health. Hormone fluctuations have a negative impact on many areas of the body, including the teeth and gums. Insulin resistance affects pituitary glands as well. If the pituitary gland is unable to control blood glucose levels, phosphorus is absorbed from the bones and teeth, resulting in demineralization. Hormonal imbalances can lead to stomach issues and mineral deficiencies, which are the root cause of tooth decay. There you go, these are the 15 ways to reverse and heal cavities naturally. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.